Good morning, everybody. Here's what we've got outside for you this morning. The Storm Team 10 Fury radar, a whole lot of nothing here at home. How about it? We had a pretty active day yesterday weather-wise. Now, well, again, it jumped up to 90 degrees, and the active part was just to the north of us. And I tell you what, it was one of those days too close to call. We had the chance for rain showers in Lafayette over to Kokomo. They had tornado warnings. They had severe thunderstorm warnings. They had flash flood warnings up this way. So, again, some very active weather just to the north of us yesterday. That looks like it's going to sag to the south today as a cold front from north moves to the south and essentially moves through. But all's quiet right now. Nothing's going on. And matter of fact, yesterday when nothing was going on here, it hit 90 degrees. I remember I walked outside and forget it, I'm going back inside. It was warm. We're going to do the same again today. 90 degrees this afternoon. We're starting off a mild 63, a 67 in Robinson right now. Vincennes at 68 degrees. Bloomington at 62. Bigger picture shows us that again to the north, that's where all the activity of rain and thunderstorms was yesterday. And notice over the past 6 hours during the overnight, it loses its energy, loses its fuel, and basically just kind of fizzles away, if you will. But that's going to get redeveloped. And what this is up here, this is right along a cold front, and that sags farther to the south and to the west through portions of northwestern Missouri. What we're going to find again is that this line is going to sag to the south, and that's why we're going to see an increased chance for rain and thunderstorms today as opposed to yesterday, where everything just stayed north of us yesterday. And again, tornado warnings were out all afternoon yesterday in northern Indiana. Scattered rain showers, that's our forecast today. Again, mainly second half of the day. Plenty of sunshine this morning, a few clouds here and there, warming up quickly to 85, then to 90 degrees this afternoon. Your better chance for rain comes this afternoon. Yesterday, the thunderstorm outlook, while it included everybody in the yellow, the orange for severe category stayed just to the north, and that's exactly where it fell. Today, we have to increase that as far south as Vincennes because, again, that cold front's going to sag to the south. Here it is to the north right now. As we go through the day and watch this clock at the top, this front just pushes to the south, and all along this is where we're going to find the most rain. And so closer to 3 and 4 o'clock this afternoon, a much better chance for rain and thunderstorms than yesterday. Yesterday, it just again by a few miles stayed north of us, and thankfully so, but unfortunately somebody had to deal with that rain and heavy thunderstorms yesterday, and that was just to the north of us. We're going to, again, near 90 degrees today. This front finally pushes through later on this evening by about 11 o'clock directly overhead, and then continues to push through tonight. We'll keep some scattered rain and a few isolated thunderstorms overnight, but like I just showed you, they fizzle away. They lose their energy during the overnight hours, and that's exactly what's going to happen. But still some scattered showers not out of the question for this time tomorrow morning. There goes the cold front. It passes through, not 90 tomorrow, near 70 degrees. That's going to be it for a daytime high. So a little cooler. It's not going to be as muggy. Still a chance for rain showers mainly tomorrow morning. Winds will be out of the northeast at that point. We get into tomorrow afternoon. The skies will gradually try to clear. We get into Thursday, and we finally take rain out of the forecast. Thursday, Friday, Saturday look to be quiet. We'll start off in the lower 50s. Winds out of the northeast, not hot and muggy, but today definitely going to be warm, near 90 degrees. Better chance for rain as we get into those afternoon hours. So your forecast goes like this, everybody. High temperature near 90 degrees today. Winds are going to be out of the southwest. It will be warm. It will be muggy. Rain and thunderstorms will stay north of us, but that cold front is going to sag to the south, and as it does, it increases our chances for rain showers from this afternoon at 60% to the overnight at 80%. So scattered rain and thunderstorms are expected today, especially after lunchtime. Rain and thunderstorms possible again tomorrow. Mainly just rain in the morning, and then cooler temperatures only jumping up to 70 degrees. That's going to be a full 20 degrees colder during the afternoon, or cooler, I should say, than today. Looking at Thursday and Friday, 72, 76, and then 79 degrees. No rain in store for us right now on Saturday, and the weekend looks to give us some rain showers by Sunday into the first part of next week. But Abby, it's one of those deals where yesterday it really looked like we were going to get some thunderstorms. They all stayed just to the north of us, and my parents live up that way, and we're talking to them. Yeah, I played weatherman in the afternoon for them. Tornado warnings were going through from Lafayette over to Kokomo. It was a very active day. Some of that's going to try to move here later this afternoon, so definitely another active day. Most of it's going to be very quiet up until later this afternoon. So.